Mas bright pa siya lalo. Okay.
Sana maganda-ganda sila ni Inda. Sila study first. First lang ay pinapaklitan. Ay, permanente sila mag-budget.
Ano natin si Carl? Anong wish mo kay Ashley maging?
Mabuti.
Okay, maging mabuti. Thank you, Carl. And last wish, Isaiah.
Happy birthday, Ashley. I wish you to have a good health, be happy, and more achievements to come. We love you and happy birthday.
Okay, so silence for Ashley's birthday. Dapat sa heart daw talaga yung wish mo.
Yung sa
Yung correct na ma-wish.
Everybody say happy birthday, Ashley. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ashley. We miss you. We love you.
You're turning 12. I'm so happy for you. We miss you so much here and happy birthday.
Ashley, I hope you have a wonderful day. Today will be filled with love, joy, and happiness. And I wish I was there so I could give you a big hug. And happy birthday. Bye.